Hey friends, so here's a new idea regarding notes. So as you know, notes can be entered within a deal, a person, or an organization, even an activity, if you click on this part and start entering your note. But if you would like to export these notes or use them in the list views, it gets a little bit trickier because, well, firstly, notes cannot be entered in the list views. And your only option to export notes is to export them all together by going to the settings. Um, let's just do that for demonstration. Um, Export data and then notes. Then, of course, you can narrow down your time frame. So, I mean, that's what you can do. But here's a new idea. If you create a custom field for notes, let's say, you just pick a large text custom field. I'm just going to show you where to find that. You can go to customize fields, deals, organizations, people, or products even, and add a field. In this case, I did it for deals, and just choose large text, which means that you can enter, a very long text. So it's basically like the same thing as a note. So in this case, I entered the same note here and here. Um, so the one uh, problem with this idea is that with the custom field, you can enter just one note, whereas with notes, the real notes, you can enter many notes. Let's put this one again. You can enter many notes, so you can always export all your notes. But in this case, we have this custom field, and what's so special about this idea is that if you go to the list views, this is a list view, um, you can actually add that as a field. And connected to this is also the possibility to create a filter based on a note, right? So in this case, I put deal custom note is not empty. Um, so it shows me all the deals that have a custom field, like the custom note with some text. I can even go even further with this and put like deal status. So I just want my one deals, for example, right? Is one. So it's only going to show me those three deals that were one that have this custom note filled in. So after doing this, I can actually export this information, right? Export filter results. And just a little reminder, you can always include as many fields as you want here, and that's what's going to be shown on the exported sheet. So in this case, I want the custom note, I want the deal value, the title, um, well, I guess the status, stage, name of the organization, owner, and maybe phone number, right? Phone, the person phone. So once that's done, I've made my final decision. This is what I want to export. You can export filter results to Excel. Wait for that to finish. And once that's done, you can download it. Probably gonna open Excel. Wow. So here we go. Here are my three deals. As you can see, there you have the note exported. So yeah, this is the custom field I created. I think that's a pretty good workaround when you want to export notes every now and then, and it's easier if you have it as a field here because you can create filters based on that note, and you can actually edit the note from here as well. So that's pretty handy. Yeah, I hope that kind of helps. Have a good one.